solving a quadratic equation by formula. Till now we did factors. Now this time formula is given. What is the general form of a quadratic equation? Means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Suppose a is 0 means everything becomes 0. In linear equation, it won't be a quadratic equation. So never x square coefficient should be 0. Keep in mind. Never and forever. The roots of equation means quadratic equation. X is equal to, you have to learn and by heart this formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Once again I am repeating, please practice back of me. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Using this formula, we are going to do the coming exercise. Solve each of the following equations. Equations means quadratic equations. Using quadratic formula. Equations quadratic. So quadratic equations, when they ask formula, you have to use formula. If they did not mention formula, then you can use factors method or formula method. But here mentioned compulsory formula, you have to use through formula only. Third problem I am doing. 3 by 4 x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Here in the place of a, 3 by 4 is there. In the place of b, minus 1 is there. Nothing is there means how many x's are there? 1x. Remember x means here the coefficient is 1. So b value is minus 1 and c coefficient is minus 1. You have to mention herely a, b, c coefficients carefully, clearly with the signs. Now write the formula, roots formula. What is the roots formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Are you able to follow? Now minus, as it is minus you write. What is b value? Minus 1. So minus of minus 1. This is formula minus. This is problem minus. Keep in mind. Plus or minus square root of b square. In the place of b, minus 1 is there. So minus 1 whole square. You have to keep whole square because this square is for minus, this square is for 1. So compulsory you have to keep bracket. If it is 1, just 1 square, if right, no problem. But here minus 1 is there, you have to use compulsory bracket. Minus 4, a value is 3 by 4 and c value is minus 1 divided by 2a. 2 into a value is 3 by 4. Are you able to follow? Now coming to simplify it. Minus into minus plus. So plus 1 plus or minus square root of minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. Next minus into minus plus. This is all one term only. First term, second term. Minus into minus plus. 4 goes in 4 one time. So 4 is cancelled. 3 ones are 3. Are you able to follow? Cancel here. If I cancel, you can't see, that's why I did not cancel. You can cancel. So minus into minus plus. 3 ones are 3. Divided by, here also 2 goes in 4 2 times. Cancel here. Are you able to follow? If I cancel, you can't see what is there here. So 2 goes in 4 2 times. In denominator we got 3 by 2. Are you able to follow? Now 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 3 is 4. Square root of 4. Whenever a fraction is there in the denominator, it becomes reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? 2 by 3. 2 goes to the numerator. Now 1 plus or minus, what is the square root of 4? 2. Perfect square. So you write 2 into 2 by 3. What is the meaning of 1 plus or minus? Means one time you take plus, the other time you take minus. That's all. That is the meaning of plus or minus. So 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 3. 1 minus 2 into 2 divided by 3. Are you able to follow? Now 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 goes in 3 one time. 1 2s are 2. Coming to here. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into 2 into 2. Here no table cancels. 1 can't go in 3 or 2. There is no common table. So minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So what is the answer? X is equal to 2 comma minus 2 by 3. Fourth problem. They have given 4 minus 11x is equal to 3x square. It is not in order. We have to write in quadratic equation shape. 3x square you write as it is. Bring this from left side to right side. Minus 11x will become plus 11x. Plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Now we are solving this one with roots formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. This root is should be up to there. Divided by 2a. 2a means 2 into a. Here, please here, a is equal to 3. B is equal to 11 plus 3. If you write plus 3 or not writing also no problem. For minus compulsory. B is equal to plus 11. If you write plus or without writing also the sign indicates plus. C is equal to minus 4. For minus you have to mention compulsory. Now these values we are going to substitute in the formula. Minus B is here 11 plus or minus square root of b square 11 whole square 2 digit number minus 4ac 4 into 3 into minus 4. Bracket indicates multiplication. Bracket indicates multiplication. 2a 2 into 3. A means 3. Now that is equal to minus 11 plus or minus square root of 11 11s are 121 minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 12 4s are 48 plus 48 2 3s are 6. Now still we can simplify. That is equal to minus 11 plus or minus square root of add 121 plus 48 169 divided by 6. Everybody knows square root of 169 is 13. 13s are 169. So that is equal to minus 11 plus or minus 13 square root of divided by 6. Square root of 169 is 13. What is the meaning of plus or minus? I told you. One time you add, another time you subtract. So minus 11 plus 13 by 6 or minus 11 minus 13 by 6. Now 13 minus 11 is 2 by 6 or minus 11 minus 13 minus 24. Both are same signs. We are going to add and divide it by 6. Here common table is there. 2 goes, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here 1 by 3 or here 6 table goes. 6 goes 4 times. So minus 4. What is the answer? X is equal to 1 by 3 comma minus 4. Fifth problem. Before starting the problem, check whether the problem is in order or not. Which order? Quadratic equation order. X square, x to the power of 1 constant is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have to check. Then you have to start. Already they have given in quadratic equation form. Here a is equal to 25, b is equal to 30 and c is equal to 7. All are positives. So what is the formula? Roots formula? Say. Roots formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Everyone should learn by heart. No gap. When you start once until you finish, no break should be there. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then take breath. Practice like that. Now minus b value how much? 30 plus or minus square root of b square 30 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into 25 into 7. Square root should be up to there. Divided by 2a. 2 into 25. Are you able to follow? After substituting, once again check those values whether you substituted correct or not. Now that is equal to minus 30 plus or minus square root of 30 is 900. 3 3s are 9, 2 zeros. Easy method. Minus into plus is minus only. 4 25s are 100. 107s are 700. 2 25s are 50. That is equal to minus 30 plus or minus square root of 200 divided by 50. 200 is not a perfect square. It is irrational number. There is no perfect square for 200. So what I am doing means minus 30 plus or minus square root of 2 into 100 I am writing by 50. Why sir you wrote 2 into 100 means 100 is having square root. What is the square root of 100? 10. 10 tens are 100. So minus 30 plus or minus 10 root 2. Root 2 is irrational number. It is not having perfect square. Divided by 50. Now in each term 10 table is common. 10 goes 3 times, 10 goes 2 times, 10 goes 1 time, 10 goes 5 times. Once again, or you can cancel zeros also. 10 goes 3 times, 10 goes 1 time, 10 goes 5 times. That is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 1 root 2 is root 2 divided by 5. What is the meaning of plus or minus? I told you. One time you write as plus, another time you write as take as minus. So minus 3 plus root 2 by 5 or minus 3 minus root 2 by 5. So what is the answer? X is equal to minus 3 plus or plus root 2 by 5 or you can give comma minus 3 minus root 2 by 5. This is the answer. given quadratic equation, they are asking to solve by formula method. Here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 8 root 3. What is the roots formula? Roots formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Always say with your mouth and write. Simply don't write silently. Practice. That is equal to minus b minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square means 10 square minus 4 into a means root 3 into root 3. What is c? C properly. What is c? Minus 8 root 3. You have to extend that square root and this division part also. Division part should be more. Whole divided by 2a. 2 into root 3. A value is root 3. That is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 tens are 100 minus into minus, here one minus, minus into minus plus root 3 into root 3, 3, 3 4s 12, 12 8s 96. Able to follow? Root 3 into root 3, 3, 3 4s 12, 12 8s are 96. First sign you multiply, afterwards irrational into irrational multiply, then with rational. 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Now that is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 196 divided by 2 root 3. Now there is a perfect square for 196. Square root of 196 is 14 14. So read squares. Whenever time is there, please practice those. So minus 10 plus or minus 14 by 2 root 3. 14 14s 196. So one time you are going to write plus minus 10 plus 14 by 2 root 3 or minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3. Now 14 minus 10 4 by 2 root 3. 2 goes 2 times. So here you got 2 by root 3. One value. Or here minus 10 minus 14 is minus 24 by 2 root 3. 2 goes 12 times here. So here you got minus 12 by root 3. Still if you want to simplify, you can simplify. How to simplify means minus 12 by root 3 into root 3. In 9th class you are done. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So numerator and denominator multiply by root 3. So here you will get minus 12 root 3 by 3. 3 goes 4 times. So what is the answer means minus 4 root 3. Are you able to follow? 9th class we have learned whenever denominator is irrational, we made it rational. So what is the answer means x is equal to 2 by root 3 comma minus 4 root 3. This is the solution.